me see if I can do a full voiceover. I would say from a perspective of as if I'm in the race right now. So I'm going to purposely try to keep it clean because I know this guy's going to talk if I don't. I think that's a clean move right there. Let's keep it going. Let's not mess up. What the hell's going on? Damn, like that? Okay. And a little smirk. Alright, don't mess this up. Somebody's behind me for sure. Alright. Nice. I think that was clean. Let's try to go defensive a little bit in case anybody tries to dive on me. Bumping me out right now from behind me. I can feel that. Again, quick turn. Let's make sure we block that. I know that who I just passed won the 2023 championship, so they know what they're doing. I gotta be at my best right now. How did this guy get here? He's P1. He's the one that won last year. He must have a messed up cart. He was complaining about cart 27 as soon as he got it. He already knew it was a bad cart. Damn. The hell was that? I ain't about to lose my position. Nah. What the hell was that? Did this get put in a wall? Thanks for the bump drive. Alright, let's go. Let's pass another champion. Oh. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Great, I won't get blamed for that. So I'm shaking my head. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Put your head down. Switch body weight. Put your head down again. Let's go, 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 go. Right in front of me. I know I can do this. They fight, we gain. That wasn't me. That was not me. What the hell just happened? Didn't I just pass this guy? I think I'm in first place. Remember what the old man said? Don't look back. Stop looking back. Just do your best. Keep going. Keep going. Everybody's behind you. What the hell was that? Nah, that's my spot. There's no way anybody's taking my P1 right now. What was that? That wasn't me, was it? At least it's not behind me anymore. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I want that gold trophy. I want that gold trophy. Let's go. Show off. Let's go. Trying to carry more speed there without screeching the tires so much. Stay focused, stay focused. Don't look back. Don't look back. But what's up ahead? Back marker? I really hope it doesn't hold me up. Does he usually use the brakes there? That's definitely not a braking zone. If you have a dead car, why are you using the brakes? Great, he's gonna hold up the racing line too. Come on, man, where's the blue flags? Come on, blue flags. Brake? Really? Did he just brake check me? Come on, man, get out of my way, man. Hey, blue flags, man, get out of my way. Really? Not there again. Not gonna put me in a wall again. Really? Get out of here, man. What a professional. Where's the blue flags, man? Yellow? Yeah, wrong color. Really? That just happened? Is he trying to, like, retaliate or something? What the hell's going on? I didn't mean to put him on the wall. Damn. I did put him on the wall, though. Damn. I put the Florida State champion on the wall. What's going on? Is he holding somebody else up? Who's P2? Me, dirty? From the dirtiest dude here? Really? He's bumped me out so many times in the last year and a half. It's not even funny. But okay, let's keep it like that. Come on. Where's this race gonna finish? Concentrate, concentrate. Oh, let's finish this. Come on. Really? He's gonna block me again? Wait, did I just win the race? I just won the race. Yeah. Oh, look. Shumi got P2. Let's go. Clap extra hard so the haters can hear. Clapping extra hard for the haters. Want to call me dirty on my first win? Okay. All right, let's check the receipts.